Hello everyone, let us see today's topic, fetal circulation. When you see this diagram, it is easily known that it is not as easy as normal circulation of the heart, right? Yes, fetal circulation is little complicated, and further we need to know some different structure of the heart. So here you can observe fetal heart and newborn heart. In fetal heart, normal right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, pulmonary artery, everything will be there. But extra thing is here, you can see this is a hole. Okay, it is a foramen oval, which is the hole between right atrium and left atrium. Clear? Next, we have another opening, that is ductus arteriosus, which is between the pulmonary artery and aorta. So the opening between the pulmonary artery and aorta is ductus arteriosus. So in fetal heart they will be open. As soon as the baby is born, this foramen oval and ductus arteriosus will be closed. Foramen oval takes 6 months to 1 year, whereas ductus arteriosus closes within 3 to 4 days. So that is the difference, and here these are important to focus. So keeping this foramen oval and ductus arteriosus in mind, now let us see the circulation, fetal circulation. In normal heart circulation, lungs helps to oxygenate, yes, for deoxygenated blood. Here will be starting from placenta. Placenta main function is to provide oxygen and nutrients for the growing baby. So circulation starts from here. From placenta, umbilical vein carries oxygenated blood. So from placenta, umbilical vein carries oxygenated blood. And slowly it will be flowing or running along the margin of the liver. So oxygenated blood. In liver, it is divided into 2 branches. In that we will be having portal vein. Portal vein carries deoxygenated blood. Now umbilical vein carries oxygenated blood, portal vein carries deoxygenated blood. They both get mixed up. So ductus venosus will help to bypass that blood into the inferior vena cava. From inferior vena cava, the blood enters into the right atrium. From right atrium, normally in normal heart circulation, it has to go to right ventricle. But if you observe here, from right atrium, through foramen oval, through this opening, from right atrium, blood goes into left atrium. And even pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood, that also get mixed up. So you can see here arrow. From right atrium, it goes into left atrium. From left atrium, it goes into left ventricle. Till here one part. So let me explain it in Hindi. Placenta से umbilical vein oxygenated blood carry करता, ये oxygenated blood जैसे जाएगा ये liver margin से जाएगा. इसमें पोर्टल वेन रहता जिसमें डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड रहता. सो अम्बिलिकल वेन का ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, पोर्टल वेन का डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड दोनों मिक्स हो जाते. सो डक्टस वीनोसस के साथ इसके हिसाब से ये जो मिक्स हुआ ब्लड ये धीरे से इंफीरियर वीना केवा को फ्लो हो जाता. इंफीरियर वीना केवा से राइट एट्रियम में चला जाएगा. राइट एट्रियम से इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग राइट वेंट्रिकल के जाने के बदले राइट एट्रियम से यहाँ पे फोरामेन ओवल ओपनिंग है ना, होल है ना, इससे लेफ्ट एट्रियम में चला जाएगा. लेफ्ट एट्रियम से लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल चला जाएगा. यहाँ तक ये एक पार्ट. कमिंग टू सेकेंड पार्ट, सुपीरियर वीना केवा, inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood. So from fetus they will be carrying deoxygenated blood, and deoxygenated blood, that is 25% of the remaining amount, will enter into the right atrium. Here, from right atrium, deoxygenated blood enters into the right ventricle. From right ventricle, it enters into the pulmonary artery. So, next part क्या है? सुपीरियर वीना केवा, इंफीरियर वीना केवा नॉर्मली डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कैरी करते. ये दोनों डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड को लेके आके राइट एट्रियम में डाल देते. यहाँ पे राइट एट्रियम से मतलब 25% ऑफ ब्लड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड राइट वेंट्रिकल में चला आएगा. राइट वेंट्रिकल से पल्मनरी आर्टरी तक चले आएगा. सो सेकेंड पार्ट इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ heart will contract and relax. Now blood is present in deoxygenated blood is present in pulmonary artery. Oxygenated blood is present in left ventricle. Now during contraction, the oxygenated blood which is present in the left ventricle will go into aorta. From aorta, it is distributed to upper parts of the body like head, neck and arms. Now, this deoxygenated blood from pulmonary artery, it is supposed to go to lungs. But here we have already the ductus arteriosus opening. So, it will bypass from there, and if you observe, here it is a descending aorta. So, bypass, okay, descending aorta it will come, and here we will be having two umbilical arteries, and the deoxygenated blood is carried to the placenta. In placenta what happens? Again blood purifies and again the oxygenated blood will be carried. Again recirculation starts. So right ventricle में deoxygenated blood जाके pulmonary artery में है. Left ventricle में oxygenated blood है. So जब contraction relaxation होगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होते समय लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है. ये ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आयोटा में जाके यहाँ से हेड, आर्म्स और अपर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी को ब्लड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता. ये डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जो पल्मोनरी आर्टरी से लंग्स में जाना है, लेकिन इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू लंग्स यहाँ पे जो डक्टस आर्टेरियोसिस है उससे बाईपास होके इधर देख सकते नीचे डिसेंडिंग आयोटा है. ये डिसेंडिंग आयोटा से धीरे चले आके ये दोनों अम्बिलिकल आर्टरीज है. ये अम्बिलिकल आर्टरीज से प्लाजेंटा को चले जाएंगे. ये डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है, फिर से प्लाजेंटा में जाके ब्लड प्यूरिफाई होके फिर से सर्कुलेशन स्टार्ट होगा. सो इफ यू heard this circulation, I hope you will like this video and subscribe it.